There is a slow but very effective chain of thoughts, values and transformation in the history of Indian social revolution. This chain originates in the Southern Command military camp in Pune, where Subedar Ramji Baba Sakpal, who was working as a teacher in the army in Maho, Madhya Pradesh, came to Pune for teacher training. And in the same camp, he met Mahatma Phule, who taught there as an honorary teacher. This was not just a relationship between teacher and student. The seeds of a revolution were taking root here. Ramji Baba did not just gain knowledge, but also went to the Phule couple's house and participated in their world of thought. The bond of affection that he formed with Savitribai and Jyotirao was based on the values of social equality. Mahatma Phule's thought, which was not based on teaching but based on living, deeply impressed Ramji Baba. And he instilled this thought in his children, especially in the little one, Bhima. This legacy was not just of words, but of action. Ramji Baba instilled Mahatma Phule's tolerance, equality, insistence on education, and rebellious nature against exploitation in his home. The result of these thoughts is our Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He himself has said, "My Guru is Mahatma Phule." This choice was not accidental, it was a testimony of sincere faith in the source of his ideology. Babasaheb took forward the work of Mahatma Phule, education, women's liberation, anti-superstition, religious reform, in the form of a solid constitution. Even today, we see that in the homes of Mahatma Phule's community, Swami Buva wearing a langoti is seen, but Mahatma Phule is not seen. Every Ambedkar home has photographs of Phule and Ambedkar. It is not just a matter of respect, it is an unbroken chain of a guru-disciple tradition. This tradition is alive today not only in photos but also in action. The journey from slavery to learn organized struggle shows that Phule and Babasaheb were two bodies, but one soul. Today, there is a need to preserve the legacy of this tradition, to understand its essence. Because this tradition is not just history, but the strength of future struggles. A guru gave an idea. A disciple wrote that idea in the constitution. And today millions of followers have taken that idea to live in their lives. This is the real social revolution and this is the living guru-disciple tradition of Phule Ambedkar.